Hey guys, today we are going to talk about functions. First of all, function is a part of relations. We've been learning about relations ever since Algebra 1, but I really want to dive deep into what function is. I know you guys probably have heard about the strict definitions of functions, but this is my definition of functions. For those of you that does not like my version of it, please refer to your book, and that has a complete, nice, real version of the function. So to me, function is basically where x cannot cheat on y. X cannot cheat on y. And you're thinking, what are you talking about? What x and what y? And let me get into that in detail right now. So right here, do we all remember domain? Yes, domain is all of your x's, where all of your x's live right here. I'm doing a little bit of mapping here. So I'm going to draw something that looks like a little potato, and we have range. That's all my y's. Remember, on our order pairs, we have x and then we have y. Well, x comes before y alphabetically, and so does d comes y alphabetically, so that they kind of match it up just like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some shapes with this, and then we'll use numbers. For example, I have circle, triangle, and a star. And then I'm going to have square, diamond, rhombus, or we'll have I'm losing shapes, smiley face. Then we're going to have, I don't know, I have no idea, a scribble. That's a scribble. Okay, and I'm going to give you the mapping of these. Don't worry about this because I'm just giving you these. At this point, it's just for the practice purposes. So right here, I can say that circle right here is having a relationship with square and the scribble. Okay, and circle is on my domain side, which is on my x side. So can you see how the circle is cheating on square with scribble? So in this case, since x is cheating on y, this is not a function. Okay, remember the little video that we watched. Now, some of you guys are saying, okay, well, that's fine, that's not a function, but what if y cheats on x? Let's look at it. In this case, yes, y can cheat on x. Do you remember that? I'm just giving you a little rundown of everything. So once again, domain and range. I'm going to put some numbers in there because it's easier to deal with. Alright, so let's map this. Once again, I'm mapping this. I'm going to give you the mapping, so don't worry. So in this case, in this scenario. Alright, everyone's mapped. First of all, is this a function? When we look at this, we need to ask our questions. Is x cheating on y? On y? And you would say, no, it's not. So yes, it is a function. Can we kind of tell the difference? Right now, we're just trying to tell the difference between function and something that is not a function. And that is the very basis of how we can determine functions. And I think I'm going to stop this video with that, just in case people just didn't understand what function meant. And on our next video, I will show you how to tell the difference between one-to-one, onto, both, and neither functions.